Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 laptop auto-scrolling down automatically. Fix it fast. First method is update mouse driver automatically. Second method is update mouse driver from my computer. Third method is uninstall mouse driver. Fourth method is change settings. Fifth method is change system configuration settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.